dark skin, light skin, medium tones. Pumping braids, got mini afros. Big lips, got tips, some of us don't. Big nose contours, some of us won't. Never wanna pass in a video, bro. Wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, no. Wanna put pretty in my eyes. Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from Samsbeauty.com. Today's unit is from the brand The Stylist, and it is their Invisible Lace HD 13x6 pre-plucked 100% human hair master blended unit in the style Nisha, and I got her in the color 1B. If this is your first time ever hearing about The Stylist, I feel like they're up there with Outre and Sensational. I just feel like they don't get the love and the shine that they deserve. They offer their units in both brown HD lace and also neutral HD lace. I went with the brown HD lace for today. They also offer their units in a wide variety of colors, and of course I'll pop it up here on the screen for you all. This is how the unit is looking online, and then this is how the unit is looking on a mannequin head. Right off the bat, I do notice that the unit has been pre-plucked, which is one of the specs that it says that it's supposed to come with. But then I'm also noticing that of course it has its baby hairs as well, which is another spec that it says it's supposed to come with. Like stated earlier, this is a 13x6 unit, but keep in mind this is not a full 13x6. It is a compact 13x6, meaning the 13x6 is pretty much like right here in the middle, well, as far as the 6 part goes, but then right here on the edges and sideburns part, it's very little to hair ratio. I want to say you get about maybe an inch worth, if that. The density of the unit looks to be about to where it's like right in the middle, you know, not too thick, not too thin. But would I wear it in this hot weather? No. I say that because the unit is 26 inches long, so you know, it can get a little hot on the neck and back, and I'm not really trying to do that in this weather. But yeah, let's go ahead and install this unit, and then of course I'll come back with my final thoughts at the end. Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from The Stylist. I'm going to start with my cons first, and my very first con is going to be that I noticed that she started to shed right out of the pack. As soon as I put this unit on, I immediately started to notice strands just like falling out of the unit, and I was just like, girl, hold on. I probably noticed about 7 to 10 strands right off the bat, so just keep that in mind. My next con for this unit would be, seeing as how this is a long synthetic semi-curled unit, I am receiving some tangling at the nape of the neck and at the end of the unit already. I say already because I've only had the unit on for about an hour to an hour and a half, and I haven't even been that active in the unit, so to receive those tangles already, I don't know, that was just kind of like a
eyebrow lift moment. I will say the positive side to that is that they're not frizzy tangles. You know, those tangles that can like be really frizzy and then mat up like really quickly. It's not anything like that, but just keep a paddle brush on you if you do decide to wear this unit. Now let's go ahead and move on to my pros for this unit, and my first one is going to be the fact that this unit did come pre-plugged. Like I mentioned earlier in the video, you can tell that this unit has been pre-plugged by just pulling it out of the pack. But something I really appreciate about the Stylist is that if you are not a strong plucker like myself, but you want to give that illusion that you know you've plugged the unit, it comes that way. But if you are someone who likes to go in and pluck your unit some more, you still have enough hair up there to do so, or shall I say at least for the most part. And I'm saying that because on the sides you get like very little hair to lace ratio, so I mean the sides are kind of just, it is what it is. But as far as the middle portion goes, yeah, pluck your heart out. Another thing I'm really liking about this unit, or just the Stylist in general, is the fact that they do offer brown HD lace and neutral HD lace, like I also mentioned earlier in the video. I think that both will work for any skin tone, but I don't know, the brown HD lace I just feel like looks really good on deeper complexions. The fact that I didn't add any foundation, bronzer, tint spray, nothing to this lace, yet it's still blending in pretty nicely for the most part in my opinion. Yeah, like, you gotta love it. For this unit to be a synthetic and human hair blended unit, you can definitely tell just based off of the movement and bounce of the unit, and on top of that, it's on the softer side. It also takes heat really well. I did keep my hot comb on, I want to say 310. It might have been 290, but I'm pretty sure it was 310, and it straightened pretty well. I didn't have to worry about any melting or anything like that. At one point, this was off camera, I did spray some hairspray like right here and right here, and then I took my hot comb and then just kind of like ran it up against it. I heard the sizzling and I was just like, okay, I know that's from the hairspray, but I'm also hoping that it's not melting the unit either. And yeah, it didn't melt the unit. Another good thing, and probably one of my favorite things about this unit, is that it is big head friendly. I could be wrong, but I want to say that almost every unit that I've reviewed from the Stylist has been big head friendly. Like this one was so big head friendly to where I could have honestly probably went in 1 to 2 hooks at the back, but I just kept it how it was. But I'm just like, yeah, I got some room back there. But anywho, let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. On Samsbeauty.com, this unit does retail for $39.99, and if you plan on picking up one of the specialty colors, expect to pay about a $2 upcharge. For a 13x6 26-inch long human hair dupe, I feel like that's a steal. But you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. I don't have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.